Hello and welcome to the first episode of Ask a Librarian with Lilly Library. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the CWMARS catalog and how to navigate to the catalog from the Lilly Library homepage on our website. The first thing you're going to do is go to the Lilly Library homepage, which is lillylibrary.org, and from there you're going to click Catalog. If you navigate to CWMARS from the Lilly Library website, you're going to automatically be searching specifically the Lilly Library catalog, which means you'll be looking for specific items that are in Lilly Library. If you would like to search items in all libraries in the CWMARS system, you're going to click this drop-down arrow here and scroll out all the way to the top and click All CWMARS Libraries. Now, if you have a specific item in mind that you're interested in, you're going to click within the search bar and type in the item. So, for example, I'm going to use Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. You can search specifically by title, author, etc., or you can leave it at keyword. Since I know this is the title, I'm going to select title. And I would like the book format, but you can also select these other possible formats. For example, if you're interested in the CD audiobook or you would like the Harry Potter DVD, you can select either of those formats through this drop-down menu as well. For now, I'm going to stick with all books, and I'm searching all CWMARS libraries. So you're going to hit search, and your search results will come up looking like this. Now you can scroll down and see your other options, and you have other pages as well. But I'm going to stay here because I see the book that I want. Now I'm going to click the title, and you can see here under available copies it says there are 167 of 227 copies available at all CWMARS libraries. That means there are a lot of copies and you won't have to be in a queue waiting for a book to come in. From here you can click Place Hold, and if you haven't logged into your account you will be prompted to do so. What you will need is your library card number and your password or PIN number. If you don't know either of those, contact Lilly Library and one of our librarians will help you. So you're going to click Login, and you will be prompted to submit your request for the hold, and you will press Submit. Now, if you would like to see if Lilly Library specifically has Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone or whatever item you're interested in on their shelves, you can navigate to Florence Lilly Library under the Libraries drop-down menu. You'll click that, and then you'll type in your title, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. I want the book, and I'm going to click Search again. Now you can see these are the available versions of Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone that are on the shelves at Florence Lilly Library. Now, as you can see here at the bottom, it says that there are 1 of 2 copies available at Florence Lilly Library. That means there is a copy currently on the shelf that is available to be checked out. Another example here is this version of the story is currently checked out. There's 0 of 1 copy available, which means that you can put in your order, but you just won't be able to pick it up right away. You can also do some browsing through CWMARS. If you aren't sure of an exact item that you would like to take out, if you'd like to just do some searching, you can do that also. We're going to go back to the home page. At any time, if you would like to get back to the CWMARS homepage, you can click this icon in the upper left-hand corner. Now we're back to the home page. And for example, say I was interested in cooking. type in cooking, and I want to see what Lilly Library has for books with the keyword cooking. So I'm going to navigate again to Florence Lilly Library, select that, and I want to know what books they have about cooking. Now I can click search. And here are our search results. We have more than 8 pages of results for you to scroll through. And you'll see a wide variety of books about cooking. You can also see which ones are available currently at the library. And you can continue to scroll down and browse other books that are on the shelves at Lilly. To navigate to the next page, you can just click Next and continue to scroll through available books until you see something that interests you. Again, from there, if you see something that you would like to take out and you see that it's available at Florence Library, you can just simply click Place Hold. And if you aren't logged into your account, you'll be prompted to log in, and from there, you'll be able to submit your request. At any point, if you would like to log into your account, you'll have the option in the upper left-hand corner by clicking Log into my account. If you're interested in new books, from the CWMARS page, you can also search for new titles at your library. From here, you can scroll down through the list of libraries until you find Florence Lilly Library and click that. You'll be redirected to a different tab on your device, and you can scroll down and see, once you've selected Lilly Library, what titles are new to the Lilly Library shelves. Now, if you see a title here, that does not necessarily mean that it is currently available to be checked out. It could be checked out already. The way that you can find out if it's currently on the shelves is, say I'm interested in the Paris Library, a novel. I'm going to go to the top of the page, scroll to the top. Again, in your library search bar, I'm going to find Florence Lilly Library, select all books, select title, and type in the Paris Library. Click search. The title will come up once you click search, and you can then scroll down and see that there are 0 of 2 copies available at Florence Lilly Library. That doesn't mean that you still can't get it. What you will do is click Place Hold, and you'll be put on a waiting list. See, for example, here we see that there are more holds than there are available copies. This means that you will be put on a waiting list for the item. When your turn comes up in line, a copy will be sent to your home library for you to take out. I hope you found this episode of Ask a Librarian helpful. We'll see you in the next one.